let's see if we can find a trading opportunity here. Now this is EURUSD and is on the daily time frame. I didn't trade yesterday. Price eventually was rejected still at around the 3377 Camarilla first resistance area. Alright, and on the daily time frame, it has formed a bearish engulfing pattern. And with this pattern formed, the sure is going down today. Now it's likely to make a new low, right? But how far, whether this is the one that will take price down, I mean for EURUSD, is what we can't tell. But there are levels it's testing right now. Yesterday it broke the 3311 level, which is the Camarilla support, first support level. Now it's at Camarilla second support level and heading to testing the weekly with this back point. And after that, following is the 38.2 retracement level, which is, and then which is at 3255. Then next to that is the weekly Camarilla buy level and the weekly pivot point, floor pivot point. So here is the buy area. Now, as a trending key level trader, you do not ignore the trend, you don't disrespect the trend, but you also have to respect the key levels. So what we're doing is to wait for price to get to this place, because for me to sell here now, for me is already late for me. So I will be waiting for price to get to this level, to test these levels. Alright, so how it tests them and then the reversal pattern formed. If it forms a reversal pattern, by the time it gets here, it's either it forms a reversal pattern or it forms a continuation, a bearish continuation. Bullish reversal pattern might be formed here, or a bearish continuation pattern. So these are the two things I'll be watching out at these key levels. At any of these levels now, and on this time frame 4 hours, is either it forms a bearish continuation, and then that is this one closing below these levels, or it forms a bullish reversal pattern, meaning if whether it closes below it or not, and then another one opening to either form a hammer or a piercing line or a bullish engulfing pattern or morning star. So any of these patterns I'll be watching out for around here. A bearish continuation, meaning that you can close below any of these levels, particularly at the buy level here. Now, if I want to take an aggressive risk, what I'll just do is to take a trade around here, of course at the bullish, at the Camarilla buy level here, as well as the weekly pivot point. So I'm going to set up a buy limit order around here. The floor pivot there is 1.3241. So I'll set up a buy, a pending order there. You know what I'm going to do? There is 50% retracement around here, and on the weekly, on the daily pivot points, let me search out for a daily pivot point. Okay, let me bring in the auto pivot calculator here and see where the daily pivot point is. To see where the daily pivot points are. Alright, we have it here now. Around here is where you have the 3190. Now look at 3210 and 3190 is somewhere around here. So I'm going to be opening up here a pending order 3210, which is where we have the 50% replacement. I'll open up a trade around here, and I'll open up a trade around here, 2 positions. Watch me. Let me set up 2 pending orders. 3241. Then my stop loss at 3208. Now I'm setting it at 08 below this 50% replacement. Okay, I might move it further down. 01, I'll be 40. while my target will be, I'll be very careful with target this time around. I'll just target it to 50 pips to 60. So between here and 3311, that was around 50 to 60 pips. Okay. So let me put it at 3301. That's 60 pips. While I set up the other one here at 3210. Back to watch it to see what eventually becomes these trades. Of course, close watch will be on what happens here. You know, the bullish continuation pattern around here might just mean pulling out. Alright, of course, that is if this or any other candle, either 1 hour or 4 hour, breaks and closes below this level. Because this is intraday, so I'm watching the 4 hour and 1 hour. If I want to do day trading as well, or maybe like swing trading, allow the trade run into another day, then my focus will be mainly on the daily time. Since I'm running a day, so breaking of these levels, continuation pattern for me will be between 4 hours time frame as well as 5 to 1 minute. I'm watching 4 hours, 1 hour, and 50 minutes. Make my decisions in turn. Alright, so we'll be checking this later on when it triggers.